Hi all, my name is Amandeep Singh. This is my fourth tutorial on iOS development. My today's topic is arrays, dictionaries, sets and enums. Let's get started. An array is an ordered collection of values of same type. An ordered collection means values stored in a particular order in an array. Same type means if we are declaring an array with integer values, we cannot add string in it. If we try to do that, it would give us an error. To check the order part, if we print object at index 0, it always be 1. If we append new values in an array, it would always be appended at the end of the array. Dictionary. A dictionary is an unordered collection with key value pairs. An unordered collection means that values can be stored in any order. With key values, so we have a key name, we have a key age, we have a key isStudent. So if we print a value with key name, it would always print John. We can update values in a dictionary like this. Let's move on to sets. A set is an unordered collection of unique value or same value. So if we look over here, a set and a dictionary are unordered collection, but in a dictionary we can add different values, string and integer at the same time. But in a set we can add unique values, either strings or integers. So here we inserted an object 6, here we removed an object 3. Let's check the intersection part. So intersection means the sets with common values. So here if we look, 4, 5 and 6 are common values between two sets. Union is the club of all the elements in first and second set. Also to check that it is an unordered, so 7 is placed at first index, 1 is placed, so these values are stored in arbitrary manner, so there is no particular order for values. This is the reason it is called as unordered collection. Let's move on to enums, and enum defines a common type for a group of related values. So we can define our enum. We have 4 directions. So here if we print, it would print south, and if we update it to north, it would print north. So basically in enum we can define common type for group of related values. So these are related values and we define a compass direction, a common type for this. Thanks. If you have any questions, please connect me on my email. I will add it in the description. Also, please subscribe. Happy learning.